Welcome to my bakery. いらっしゃいませ Ready? Step into my candy world, neon sugar lights. Whisking drinks together, watch them come alive. Sprinkles falling softly like a pastel rain. Every little flavor dancing in your brain. Apron tied in ribbons, flower on my cheek. If it's getting messy, then it's kinda peak. Mix it faster, spin it, don't you look away. Something sweet is about to detonate. Turn it up, don't think twice. ちょっと cry over spice. If it sparkles, that's the sign. 限界なんてない Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. No night dancing, feel the cake. Sweet. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. Pop, pop, pop cake. 持ってちょうだい Spin it, flip it, taste it やめられないでしょ Burn it, oops, whatever, we can fix it quick. Pleasure glowing in the icing glaze. Every bite you take puts you in a daze. Close your eyes, I'll guide you through the taste. Don't you wanna stay in this place? No control, just let go. 甘さもっと overflow. If it shines, then you know これは梅でしょ Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush. ドキドキして blush, blush, blush. Sweet chaos overflow. 一口で lose control. Drip it, glaze it, candy rain. 感覚全部 melting brain. One more taste, you're hypnotized. ここは甘い paradise. 真夜中のオーブンライト夢を焼いてる all night 願い込めて rise and shine 全部叶えるデザイン手を取って離さないでこの味を忘れないで二人だけの secret place 甘すぎるこのスペース Swirl it, whip it, sugar rush もっと強く push, push, push Sweet chaos level max 止まらない no relax Drip it, glaze it, candy rain 名前呼んで again, again One more bite, don't fade away ずっとここで play my game また来てね I'll bake something even sweeter Miwo, welcome to the stream and what a warm welcome. I'm missing you too, Miwo. It's what the best way to start the stream with hello my favorite Luna, I miss you. That's probably the best way to start a stream ever. Look at that, thank you very much, Miwo. I really appreciate. That's always, receiving such a warm welcome. It's lovely. I hope you're doing fine, and I'll be missing you too. I really like the way you say that you miss me every single time. It's very nice, and I really appreciate so. And today it's Sunday, and later on, after the stream ends in the afternoon, I will go watch Star Wars with my family. My lord, I am fine. I hope you came here kneeling and apologizing. Main loop. Good morning, main loop. Good morning. Ohayo gozaimasu, main loop sa. Ohayo gozaimasu. Minecraft Lord, I hope you came here apologizing, yeah. Yeah. よろしく、はじめまして。メイドプさんって日本人ですかねそれとも日本語を話すの好きですかねこちらね、日本に住んでる、もう日本に、ほぼ日本生まれ。もう2歳からもうずっと日本にいるんですけれども、外人なんですけれども、この放送、
あ、そうですね。あ、寄ってみた。あ、ありがとうございます。でも、なんだろう。メインで、そうです、そうです、そうです、そうです。日本語話せますけど、話せますけど、ただよく見てるのは、海外の方で英語なんですよね。まあ、日本語でも入れ替えれるけど、多分メインは英語かな。メインっていうか8割ぐらいかな。まあ、メインだね。メイン。で、メインループさんって英語ってわかりますか？それとも日本語だけですか？日本語だけ言ったら、ちょっと、頑張って。で、英語でいいですか？ありがとうね。途中で、日本語とか入れたかったら入れてもいいけど、とりあえず英語で話しますね。ありがとうございます。助かります。welcome, Sinol, welcome to you. So, I mean, welcome, Sinol, and my lord, I hope you came here on your knees apologizing. Because you know what this guy did this morning? I mean, instead of greeting me, notice me senpai, me will obviously noticing you. I always noticing you. It's the first things I've done. I mean, I always notice you. Don't you worry, Miwo. Don't you worry. You have been noticed and appreciated. So, you see, my lord dear, I mean, this morning, instead of greeting me, no, Shino, that's not you, not you. So, Minecraft Lord, instead of greeting me with good morning, the first things he told me when I woke up and checked the messages is that you should Google that to get better at that. You see the arrogance and the impudence of that guy over there. Instead of a good morning, I was missing you. I was thinking that maybe you could have used this information too. He said, hey, well, you should Google that so you can get better at that, Hey, Rito Miko, welcome. So, I will do my best today to give my lord, the hardest times he could possibly ever imagine it. Because manners, a little bit of manners, if people wake up and the first things they should be told is, hey, yo, go Google up your shit so you can get better at it. Well, I'm a little bit joking because I'm absolutely not upset to my lord. We are in very good relationship, but I feel really in the mood to give him a hard time. In the same way he dared to greet me in the morning. We go Google that and get better. So, yeah, hey, Cervo, or Luigi, Cervo, or Cervo Luigi maybe? Buongiorno, buonasera. Welcome Cervo to the stream. Yes, exactly, you in person, the dear. My dear. So, okay, Cervo in Italian means dear. Please hold your applause. Oh yes, don't you worry. We will hold the applauses here. So, anyway, what I was saying. So yes, Star Wars. Yes. So, this afternoon, after the stream ends, I will go watch the new Star Wars. Cause the Chibi Yoda, the son of Yoda, or whoever is that fucking cute little creatures. I really want to watch that chibi thing there, that chibi green thing there. Cause Yoda is absolutely my favorite characters in the whole fucking Star Wars series. It's adorable. And if there is son or new or nephew or is his young version, I haven't even watched the story. But seriously, if there's senpai, welcome to the stream. But if there's that ship, I hope Linda is fine. I and Linda, senpai, if Linda needs something, or if you see that Linda one day has a bad mood, you send me a message, and you tell me, yeah, Linda has a bad mood today, I don't know why. And I make it an illustration, so you pretend you do nothing, and you say, you remember Luna, she photoed you and she sent you this, okay? So you have to consider me as your ultimate resource to cheer up that little girl, okay? I will be your Linda supporter, cause she deserves all the love that, okay? You're playing Dark 3 with a friend. Yeah, fine. Nice bed dramas. Oh, tell me the name of your friend so I can roast him. And tell him to listen so we can roast your friend. We can roast your friend. Hopefully does he speak English or is a poor normal Italian that can barely speak fluent Italian and only speaks dialect? We have to know this now because the average Italian speaks dialect 100% and maybe he has 60% knowledge of normal Italian and usually around 10% knowledge of other languages, but yeah, I need to know because otherwise, because if he doesn't speak English, it will be a little bit hard to roast him properly, but I guess I will do an exception, but anyway, say my best regards from the bottom of my heart to your friends, okay, and tell him, that, you speak 5 language plus 1, I speaks 3. And so we can roast him with the utmost respect. Okay, so anyway, back on Yoda, so I will watch. He already knows. Oh, perfect. Good, Shervo. Exactly, spread the word of me so I can get even more followers and eventually conquer the whole world. Perfect. And everyone can kneel at my feet as it should be. The flex is never too much. Exactly. There is never enough flexing there. Exactly that. So, Yoda, yes, Yoda. I will go see Yoda. And cause Yoda, why not? I don't even know the fucking name if this is Yoda's son or whatever, but let's call him Chibi Yoda. And I really hope it will be a nice movie. And even if it will be trash garbage, I hope Chibi Yoda is cute enough to carry me through the movie. But yes. I saw they were making an article on the news in television yesterday, and I saw it and said, no, we have to go see this. Absolutely. So I'm dragging the whole family with me to watch fucking Yoda. So anyway, so also, I've been thinking a lot recently, and seriously, fuck gaming. I say it here. I think I will soon commit to YouTube suicide, cause, yeah, this started as a gaming channel, but I don't understand why recently I'm having so much fun with AI. It's fucking incredible. It should be work, cause I'm working on it for making my channel better, but I'm having more fun than gaming, and I'm trying to understand why this could happen. But I can't really find the reason. I'm having so much fun, seriously, and even with some of the boring task things, seriously, it's so much fun. And I've been thinking, deeply, at the meaning of life, and what I should do with my channel. I think it's too early. I don't think I really want to drop gaming, but I want to, I really want to maybe, I don't know, transition a little bit more into AI, but I don't know. I don't know how to do it. Because YouTube really punishes you when you move from one niche to another. and YouTube is very unforgiving on this. In fact, if you see the majority of YouTube channel, they talk of one thing, and that thing only. And as far as I know, according to hundreds of YouTube gurus, I don't know if these gurus are real or not, but YouTube really punishes you when you even try to step out of because it has problem. I don't know, putting you into a fucking category, so you can't really find you the correct audience to push your things to. But I don't know, I think I want to commit YouTube suicide and try to push a little bit more into the AI, because I'm having so much fun. And not because AI is a fucking trend, but because I'm really enjoying it a lot. A lot. And not to mention that today there was such a huge news in the AI world. Probably the best news. Wait, Amico, I'm looking for some AI to do short videos from image for your D&D campaigns, but the ones that I use too much credits is, do you know any that could work with less credits, so there's all limit to video? Please don't use the Google It card on me. I'm not going to use the Google It card for you. Do you think I will ever use the Google It card on you? Why do you even think I would use the Google It card on you? I am sort of, I don't want to say offended, but I want to know what makes you think in the first place I would have used the Google It card on you. Yeah, yeah, I don't know what makes you think in the first place I could have ever used the Google AI card on you, because that's absolutely not what I do with my followers. On the contrary, I always try to be very, very supportive and try to answer to all their questions. So, I don't know what makes you think that I would have even used such a technique. So, okay, first of all, you need to give me more information. Right, amigo, so we can dig into your question. First of all, which kind of AI are you using for making videos? Because, start from that. Tell me, go into the detail and tell me which engine. Tell me your workflow in details, so we can try to dig into this. Maybe if you have Discord, you could come to Discord for a voice call. So we do this on voice, and maybe you share some stuff. Cause I think yeah. Even coming Level Ups flow. No. Stop. Huge error there. I also use 11 Labs, but 11 Labs is mostly for sound. They are basically muting their services with videos and stuff, but don't you dare use 11 Labs for other than sound. 11 Labs is beautiful and wonderful for sound. We can go to my 11 Labs. Give me 1 minute. We can go to my 11 Labs just from. Let me do this. Let me do this. Okay. 11 Labs. So we can go a little bit into the 11 Labs things, but okay, so as you see, let me go back to here to the web. So I use 11 Labs too. But the reason I use 11 Labs too, because especially if you get the Pro, you have this create voice ability, and then you have the professional voice clone. That is very good for creating voice clones. And I use VoiceLab to create to have my a voice clone of myself. Okay, so and that I tried to use for some of my video, but the problem at the moment is that it uses the old VTube model and not the V3 that can give expression. So I haven't been really using 11 Labs much recently until they update the custom voice to work with the latest 11 V3 model. But point is, it can do images, but that fucking sucks for cost performance. So usually what they do, because you have to use your credits every month, because otherwise it's they expire. So if I still have credits left, before it's about to renew the end of the month and I will lose it, then I dump them all into video. So, cause I mean, I still get something out of it, but it's very expensive for videos. I mean, 11 Labs is for audio. And so this is the first things I can tell you. I mean, you shouldn't absolutely do video on 11 Labs unless I mean you want to dump all your remaining credits at the end of the billing cycle, like 1 day, 2 days before the billing cycle is ending, because you know you won't use them anymore. So I hope that answered your first question. Then keep going. Tell me where did you? Tell me what did you? So of course, if you only tried 11 Labs, yes, of course, is going to use a fuck tons of credits because you are on the wrong platform. You are absolutely on the wrong platform. So that's one of the reasons. So what other platform have you been using, and what platform? So tell me. I mean, I need to know more. So we can try to fix your pipeline in the best way I possibly know. Okay? Tell me more. And by the way, let me grab some more hot tea. So you want to make some videos for your D&D campaign. Okay, using of course images you have probably generate as base, cause I mean no, you do the campaign, for instance in the campaign you meet the fucking dragons, then your team is made by a fat elf with and a transgender dwarf, right? I mean all the classic things you can find in these fucking campaigns, cause probably your mates are very drunk when they do these things, and then maybe they make a fucking mage that has the thing when they cast spells, you know, all this bullshit that you usually see in the campaign. So you don't want to use your stock images, because I mean where are going to find a fucking transgender dwarf or a fat elf and a singing mage, no? Because I mean probably that's your party of friends. So you want to use your custom images to then make a video, no? So that's the workflow, I guess. So you first generate the image that as base, and then you want to animate it. Yeah, yes. So use a VEO automation v3 to automate some image. Okay, first all, I don't really know VEOs. Okay, I don't know this. So what I mean, usually for image generation, I'm using ChatGPT 2. ChatGPT 2 has been incredibly powerful, very good. Yeah. Let's dive a little bit on what I use. Okay, so for image generation, use ChatGPT 2. From what I know, but I may be wrong on this. Is that ChatGPT 2 models? Usually now is free or very cheap, and ChatGPT 2 can do some fucking amazing stuff. Let me show you some stuff I made recently with ChatGPT. Where it is. Let me put this. Oh, use ChatGPT as well. Exactly. So okay, so you're good on image generation. Exactly. ChatGPT 2 is very good at the moment, very cheap, if not free. So yeah. I agree. So for image, for videos, okay, I'll tell you. But mind that I talk from a point of and the campaign images is from there is amazing from sure. Exactly. Perfect. So I use Vido. Vido is my main. I'm so tempted. Hey, James, welcome. I use Vido. And the reason why I use Vido is because I have adopted Vido way earlier before, Seedance 2 and all these others anime generation engine were started to becoming super popular. And to be honest, Seedance 2 and other stuff are way better than Vido, don't get me wrong, but Vido is still very cheap and very good for anime. And for instance, take a look at this. So this, for instance, this image is started from a ChatGPT 2 image, and this then this becomes this way with video. You know what I mean? Or I mean, it's very very good. I mean, or especially for anime generation images and I mean, it does some bullshit. But Shervo, this is for you. You see, there is a small deer biscuit. I mean, yeah, that's for you. So and I mean, as you see, I mean, and it's very nice. No, look at that. Look at that, beautiful, right? Isn't it? Lovely video. Look at that. Yeah, and yeah, no, so I mean, this is video. And in fact, we have to do some images with video later, because that's what something I want to do later, because I have to use my credits for the month, and I prepared a batch of images of the stuff to do today, so, and, yeah, very nice expression, okay, so, and, look at that, lovely, isn't it? So, I mean, it has, I mean, don't get me wrong, I mean, sea dance too, it's on another fucking level. So don't expect sea dance to things, and also video sort of sucks at multi-shot in the same clip. So with video you really want to use a single camera angle, you know what I mean? Of course the camera can have movement, but you don't want to have a multi-shot into one video. So cause it's still limited. And it has a lot of things, but anyway, I mean, as you see, I mean, it is very good. Look at that, I mean, it's very good video. I mean, seriously, video can do a lot of good stuff. I mean, seriously, it's very nice. And I use video, and I mean, video you have to pay for it, but I mean, the Mayo, welcome. It full of the brand. Yes, it has 3 ways to make videos. But I mean, text to video is probably the one you don't want to use at all. Because I mean, it doesn't start with the starting images. Image to video uses a first frame and an end frame. But since I have to do this anyway, we can do this because I have to do this. So because I made all these images. Sorry, asthma thing as always whenever I less expect it. So I made these images in how can I say, in normal style, but I also want to make a copy of this video in chibi style. So and I prepared the starting frame and the end frame for do this later today. So but yes, it can go with first frame and then frame. You can absolutely go end frame or it can use as references. The references are let's say that your way have this fucking transgender dwarf and the fucking fat elf and the fucking singing mage. I mean, you can give character sheets of these things, of these characters, and then I mean, you can generate videos using that as base. But I still think it works best with first frame. And I also don't think you need end frame, because I mean, you could use end frame. You can use end frame and use it first and then frame for certain parts, for certain videos or that I've made. But I think video works better when you give the first frame and you give the prompts and does its stuff. But regarding on how much thanks that you think about me even out of the stream. Well, actually, Chervo, not to break your self-confidence and making you think that I mean I'm so obsessed by you. I just gave ChatGPT a batch and I asked it to make 2 images from each of my songs. So I mean that's is part of an automated batch that has nothing to do on how much I'm fucking thinking of you. Outside the stream. No, of course I'm going to fucking bash you, because I mean, obviously, Obviously, because obviously I'm going to fucking bash you, because if you think that, I'm thinking about you, the point I make images about you, and maybe I wake up in the night wet thinking of you, of a fucking furry, you are fucking wrong, okay? That's an automated batch, and and all these videos are 2 videos each from one of a batch of 25 songs, so keep your expectation low, furry. And go back to the deer house. And maybe I will feed you some deer food later, okay? Okay, cause yeah, that's not going to happen, Cervo. Okay, so anyway, and so yes, so anyway, so and so yes, back to you, Ritomigo, regarding if it can follows the prompt, right? This is something I'm really studying deep because I would dare say relatively good. It follows the prompt relatively good, but you need to write them very, very well. So, let's say yes and no, because you will probably need to skill up into prompting. But it is, I find it relatively cheap. Relatively cheap. You know what I mean? Relatively cheap. But yeah, use Cloud to prompt for you. Okay, do you have a skill? Do you have a skill for that? For that? If you want, I was working on a skill. In fact, this is one of the this is one of the reason I did the 50 batches here, because I was working on a skill and I was trying to see how it worked. So I did this 50 batch because I was trying to check out this skill. Cause point is, if you tell Cloud, so one of the problems that even Cloud has, you're new to grad and you're trying out this month. Okay, you're trying Cloud from the web, you're trying Cloud from Coworker. Probably from the web, right? But anyway, even if you're from the web, you can make project folders. You can make project folders in Cloud. And project folders are special kind of chats because you can put files into these folders, and you can and Cloud uses this file as references. So if you put a skill inside the folder and then you tell Cloud, use the skill to generate the prompt, it generates the prompts in a certain way every time. You know what I mean? Following a certain criteria. So because every time if you go to any LLM and you tell them, I need the skill for this, every time you're going to get a different output, you know what I mean? Well, it's going to take your idea, don't get me wrong, and it's going to make a better wording, sure. But the way in which it will make the prompt, will change every time. So you need a system there. You need a system, and usually systems for repeated tasks, very small systems for repeated tasks are called skills. So basically, you probably want a skill, and the skill is talk. Maybe you know what, Ritomigo, I have to do this anyway. So use a project and ask to create master prompt for another chat in Cloud, and it's working so far. Yes, absolutely. But what I was trying to say is that there are chances that the prompt is not following. You know what I mean? It's not following the same criteria. It's probably just expanding. What I want to say, look at my prompt. Maybe so you have a better idea. I don't know if you can read this because this is very. But for instance, if I try click to create, I am the prompt. Now you see, and the prompt is divided into format. 6 seconds single continuous anime shot, and that the environment, and then it describes the environment, style, and it describes the style, camera, and it describes the camera, logic rule, and it describes the logic rule. So it's very structured. You know what I mean? It's very structured. So probably what you're doing, you said, I am the fat elf that has farted in the face of the transsexual dwarf, and the transsexual fast throw is axe at the dragon. after being farted in the face, and then you ask Claude make a better prompt out of it, and it makes a better prompt. But I mean, it is not structuring it with camera movement or whatever. I mean, you know what I mean. So you should try to use a format so that video can breaks the prompt down better. And this is what I was trying to say. I've been working into a way to make a better prompt for video, and in fact that's why the batch is I'm doing this. So maybe we can work in a two way here. I mean, we could probably try or at least give prompt version 1. I'll try this for sure. Do video as audio? Yes, video as audio. It makes audio, but I mean, yeah, you can try it. I mean, cause I always make my own audio, and I mean, the audio that video makes is very. If you want, let me see if I can try to route the audio here, so you can listen to what is this audio here. Let me try to route the audio here. So. Let me try to route it. So I think I have to. I think I have to actually, probably make a different screen capture with the audio, because the one is without audio. So let's put this with Chrome. I'm this close from throwing the controller out of the window. Oh well, because you're playing Dark Souls. I mean, that's a really masochistic way to, to do stuff. I mean, you pick at your own demise there with wanting to play Dark Souls. Okay, so let's try this a little bit. So it should have audio, I think. So you can listen to this. I mean, it's not exactly, but. Were you listening to this? I hope so. Or maybe no, see here. So it adds some effects and some other things. I mean, you see, it's also when she's smiling, she's also saying ha 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 or something like that, you know? God gives to his strongest always hardest battle. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you see, it adds some audio, but I mean, it's not so bad. I mean, it's not so bad, but I mean, I don't know. I never tried with epic scenes of dragon and farting dwarves. You know what I mean? So you have to do some tests. I mean, and I think Vido is very cheap. I found Vido very cheap. And it also has a model that is even cheaper, which is Vido 2. But I mean, Vido 2 quality is a little bit lower, but it's even cheaper. You know what I mean? It's even cheaper than Vido 3. Because at the moment I'm using Vido 3, but Vido 2 is even cheaper than Vido 3. And I mean, depending on your plan, you have up to 200 video generations for free every day with Vido 2. Yes, it uses credits, yes, but depending on your plan, I mean, you can have Vido 2 for free. And it does up to 200 free fucking video generation every day for free. But that's Vido 2, which, I mean, it's a little bit low quality. But yes, it uses credits. I mean, point is, I mean, one other alternative that it's free, but then you have to go deep into a lot of things, is you have to install an video generation, a local video generation tool on your machine. You know what I mean? You have two ways to do this. One way is ComfyUI. Okay, ComfyUI. And ComfyUI, you can install ComfyUI in your machine. But it's very complicated. In fact, I mean, we call it here ComfyUI because I mean it is a node-based system, and I mean you have to watch tutorials over tutorials and you can get mad. Or another alternative is to use Pinocchio. And Pinocchio is basically a self-contained engine on your machine, but it is only able to do one thing. So the engines that has been installed. So for instance, we can check, for instance, video. And let's say video generation. And you see now you have Pyramid Flow, Video Crafter, Pixel Video, LTX Desktop One. It has several engine. You can install one of these, and you can try with this. They are not very good, but they are free. So it's all a trade-off between or you pay and you get good quality, or you do almost zero effort and it's free and you get relatively bad quality, or you learn the shit out of Comfy UI and you get a medium above average quality, but not as much as paid engine models. So it really depends on the level of effort that you want to put into this thing, you know what I mean? So, but the good thing of Comfy UI is that after you install it, and after you find the video engine that works for you, and after you finally find the fucking workflow that works, you know what I mean, and that works, but you probably have to waste maybe 2 weeks just to get the fucking things running. And then, you have it, you know what I mean, you have it on your machine, you can do how many fucking things you want, but it does, but let's say a relatively hard entry, you know? It's not really beginner friendly, okay? It's almost at intermediate to advanced user kind. So if you just started, and I don't know, maybe you can try. I'm not saying you can do it. I'm not saying you're stupid or whatever. I'm simply saying it really requires effort. Because you need to study, and troubleshooting things inside Comfy UI can be a little bit complicated. You can ask Claude to help you with installation and configuration of Comfy UI, but you still have to do research on which kind of fucking video generation model you want to use, the limitation of that video, which kind of format it does better. There is a lot, because you have to study everything by yourself. And you also need a decent GPU card, because that thing has to run on your fucking machine, you know what I mean? So doable? Yes. But so this is I'm just noticing that we ended up, you have to Google it. Sorry. After that, because when we started talking of Comfy UI, I realized that we ended up, you have to Google it. But the point is that you have to Google it because it has so fucking many engines, and each engine has its own specification. You know what I mean? That you have to do a research on the exact engine you want to use. You know what I mean? So I'm sorry that I was saying I would not say you have to Google it, but we ended up when we talk about Comfy UI, it's very complex, and you indeed have to study it. There is a very good tutorial on YouTube, and just how to start it is 3 hours, 4 hours. I think it's called Pixaroma. YouTube Pixaroma Comfy UI. And I think it's Pixaroma, right? Yes, it's Pixaroma. Yes, 100k followers. And I've watched this fucking. Look at this. Where the fuck is that thing? 4 fucking hours. Oh, look at this. Where it is? 4 hours. 5 hours. Sorry. Learn Comfy UI from scratch. I watched this all. It goes back at the beginning, yeah, but I've watched this all. I studied a lot of his fucking videos. And this fucking long video here is very good. It explains step by step a lot of things, but that alone is 5 hours. What is this guy doing for 5 hours? Reason Dance, welcome to the stream. He's trying to explain to people how to fucking use a software, which is very, very complex one. But yeah, that's what this guy is doing for 5 hours. And he has 100k subscribers, so is super legit. And this fucking 5 hours video, it has 500k views. So yeah, it's perfectly legit stuff. He is considered one of the best one of the best. Yeah. He is considered one of the best tutorial maker for Comfy UI. I mean, absolutely top tier tutorials for Comfy UI. I mean, yeah. So and yeah. So I mean, and you can find a lot of things there, and then maybe you can dig. I mean, I'm sorry, we pass it from Google it from YouTube it, which is still Google in a certain way. But yeah, I mean. So, if you really want, I mean, well, but I mean, I think I've covered the basics. I mean, with Omigo. I mean, I think we covered the basics. I mean, if you want to go deeper than this, I mean, I would suggest to start do some tests, and maybe in 3-4 days, you come back to me and you tell me I have tried to do this. And these are my results. Now, you know what I mean? Because we can talk even more now, but I mean, if you don't actually put your hands on these things, you know what I mean? If you don't try these things a little bit by yourself, I mean, then I mean, I don't think that talking more about this is going to be, is going to be helpful. Now, because you need to try these things by yourself a little bit. I mean, yeah. I mean, if you can spend a little, I mean, try to get Vido and make your life easier. But if you don't want to spend, I mean, well, I mean, if you have to spend a little, you should spend on me, you know what I mean? I mean, you should absolutely get a membership here. I mean, it's going to help in video generation more than anything, because I mean, you can bombard me of messages in Discord. And now you have a protest because you are a member. So I mean, probably the best money spent that you can spend are on me. I am absolutely certain of this, but apart from that, I mean, yeah. I mean, you can try different stuff, and I mean, and if we get in touch in Discord, I mean, I can give you more. I can post the links. I mean, we can do stuff. You can send the stuff you're doing. You can send me your images that you're working on, and I mean, we can. I can do other stuff. I mean, so or I mean, yeah. I mean, so I mean. Anyway, I'm saying that I'm willing to help. So, but I think you need to do so. That's the best advertise for your membership you ever seen. Oh, more than the cakes. I mean, more than the cakes. Are you sure that this beats the cakes? I mean, because I was under the impression that the best advertisement I could make for my channel was probably, I mean, you know what I mean. I mean, was probably this. Or maybe, maybe this. But I mean, if you think that was better, I mean, if you don't like cake, I mean, I'm not going to judge if you prefer AI to cakes. I mean, to each his own. But I mean, but anyway, point is, I mean, get a fucking membership. You and everyone else watching right now. I mean, yes. Maureen says yes. Exactly. But yeah. Anyway, no, because the good thing of membership is that then give you access to. Let me go back here to Luna. It gives you access to the Discord, no? You know, because then in the membership section of the video, you have access to the membership only Discord, which I mean, which is your way in which you can bombard me of fucking questions and things without me having to turn it down, because I mean, you paid for it, you know what I mean? So it's quite, I will do whatever I fucking want of Luna because I paid. And I mean, I have seen, then people is doing whatever they want on me. I mean, making me make engine for searching Pokemon cards to, I mean, most innominable things ever. I mean, that's the place where you can play with your little Luna in the way you want. I mean, but yeah, it comes with a price. You know what I mean? I mean, cause I'm a little bitch, and I mean, I'm not giving my body away for free now. You know that. So anyway, so maybe we can go a little bit into working phase, right? Working phase. Why not? Cause I wanted to do some stuff as well, and I wanted to do some stuff with video too, So, dicevo che don't playing for my mental health was the main topic of the conversation. I was not following perdones, ma I was such, but the main topic up to now, Cervo, is that I was helping Rito Miko in troubleshooting their image to video generation workflow, because Rito Miko is having both quality problems and credit usage problems. So I tried to split the things in two things. So how to spend less credits and how to get better quality. And so we talked about for what? How much? Maybe 30 minutes about that, because it was quite a question there. But now we just ended that part of the stream, and we were moving into actually doing some image to video things, and reasons, exactly, reasons. Let me read the. Oh, okay. So I don't know why. I have these things that sometimes try to automatically translate things. Luna was illuminating it how much a membership will help me with my AI problems, and I am solved. Okay, I see you're still not completely solved, because your name is gray and not green. I will consider you solved when the name switches to green, but I hope that while you're typing this, you are putting your credit card number in the correct place and pressing the purchase, the join button, but yes. Yes. I see. Basically, she's scamming you. Exactly. This is what we do here. No, a scam covered by cute cake. Exactly this. Rising ants, lol. Yeah. Obviously. What do you expect this to be? Obviously, is this I'm going to scam you with a smile in the face while showing you my cute cake? Obviously. It's actually a scam if it's cute. It's really a scam if it's cute. Exactly. You know what I mean? Exactly. Cute scam, best scam ever. You know what I mean? Exactly this. So, okay. So, what I want to do here. So, I think I remember. Oh, you see this? So, we still have this problem here. I have to remove this. Yes. Okay, very good. Okay, so I think I want to. I think I have to do some imaginary. Everything will be here after unlocking with 50 gifted membership. Exactly. Everything will be clear by then. Exactly. The whole world. Everything will become clear by. After unlocking 50 gifted membership, exactly like that. So anyway, so as let's go back. I want to be a little bit productive, and at the same time, I want to show Rito Amigo how I do this thing. So what I've been doing is that I made all these videos from a batch, and then I also made a chibi version of each image. For instance, let me see if I can show you one. One moment. For instance, I have to grab the file here. And where it is. So, the chibi version is very cute. Yeah, well, you haven't seen it yet, but I imagine it. Let me show you first. Because I doubt you've seen this already. It should be here under assets, then private, generated, and then oh yes. So for instance, this okay. What's okay? Cancel. We need to remove this, and we need a image file here. Okay, and so for instance, this is one of the chibi version of the thing, no? This is one of the chibi version, and so I want to animate them. Oh, the one in the intro. Oh, yes, exactly. One in the intro. Yes. It uses the same model of the one in the intro. Yes, it uses the same model of the one in the intro. But basically, I mean, I've made the same batch also with the chibi. So, but the point is that, I mean, due to mistake, let's call it mistake. I think we can call it mistake. Or better not mistake. Let's say I was in a little bit in a hurry, and I had a problem with renaming the files. So I don't know exactly which files best to go with which prompt. So what I'm going to do now, we are going to try to see if our friend ChatGPT can do this for us. So and so it will let us save some time. So let's talk with our friend ChatGPT, but I need to find the reference first. So okay, give me one filter window too, because I need to check some stuff. We have it in the codex. It's probably inside the temp files, right? It should be inside the temp files in the codex, and yes, and then we have Seedance to video adaptation, and then we have, oh, okay, perfect. What is the name of the file? Luna video 50 prompt pack. Okay, very good. So, okay, let's talk with ChatGPT. I was thinking about the things. Tell me, Chervo. I will answer to your question, then I will talk to ChatGPT, cause otherwise, I mean, I will have some problems answering to you while I talk to ChatGPT. But for you, maybe it's useless. Yeah, go on. I'm open to any suggestions here. I'm open to any suggestion. How good is your promoting with the AI? For promoting, what do you mean? Promoting, prompting. Okay, prompting. Well, you have to know that, I mean, the recent AI model, they have switched from prompt engineering to context engineering. So basically, I mean, especially with large language models like Codex, I mean, like ChatGPT or Claude, I mean, you don't really... yeah, but that's because this is a stupider model. So I was trying to explain you this. So newer, I mean, you have to understand that, I mean, each engine, okay, each AI engine, let's call it engine, but model, okay, is specialized into one thing, okay, and so for instance, I mean, in the past, I mean, all these models, depending from the things, I mean, they were very stupid. And you really need to be good at prompting, to the point that the term prompt engineering was founded, you know what I mean? But now, I mean, large language models, I mean, are AI in which you usually interact with them by conversation. You know what I mean? By chatting, like, I mean, ChatGPT, Claude, etc. I mean, they don't require complex and precise prompt because they now go by intent. They analyze what you say and they try to extrapolate what you say. But the fact is that, I mean, I'm not only using large language models, I'm also using older engines, like, I mean, the one to make images that have worse reasoning. And in that case, I mean, I need to make good prompting, but I use AI to refine my prompting. But in fact, for instance, one of the engine we were talking earlier for video generation, which is Seedance. I mean, Seedance is conversational. So basically, you can tell what you want and it does it. I mean, even if, I mean, you can go really specific with CDAS, don't get me wrong, and be very technical. But it's also very conversational. But while instead if you try to be conversational with Bid or something like that, I mean, yeah, you can do it, but I mean the result it becomes more and more random. You know what I mean? So but let's say there has been a significant switch from having to write a really detailed and technical prompt to a prompt that now goes with intent. Because the AI has become smarter and can try to understand what you want to do, regardless of how you write it, you know what I mean? So, and sometimes over-prompting is counterproductive. I hope that answered your question, but anyway, let's go back in this. So, okay, I need to tell ChatGPT this, so okay. I have made, oh no, that's not the best way to start it. Stop. Okay. I think it is better if I pointed it to the correct things. Which servo, and for now use AI generated prompt and chat into another AI to give a specific command, but about the chance you have to do in the workplace, I did a script where the prompt is generated. Yes, exactly. I mean, exactly. That's usually you work by a skill that has the workflow. Yes. I also do this too. But I mean, what I mostly do now is context engineering, in which I give the AI the context, and then the AI do the stuff. So and for instance, one instance is this one. So start chatting an MD file into the repository. It is in the temporary directory, TMP, and it is inside another subdirectory called CDAM2 video adaptation, whatever. And there should be an MD which contains 50 prompt called Luna video 50 prompt pack. And I don't want to do anything else at the moment, but just load this file, find this file, so I can tell you later what we want to do. Yeah, I mean, okay, sorry, I forgot to. So yeah, I mean, you can do whatever you can do whatever you want. I mean, you can do this. I mean, there are multiple ways to achieve the same results with AI. I mean, it's not that there is one way. You know what I mean? We can talk on which is the most optimal way or the way that lets use less credit. But I mean, there are multiple ways to do things. I mean. Okay, good. So now that you have the file, I have to tell you that I have generated the 50 images in Chibi version. So I mean, but they are into a different folder. They are into the assets folder, then into private, then into Luna, and then into generated. They have the date 2026 5/24. So they are made today. And they start with Chibi something. So what I want you to do is that I want you to make a copy. I want you to check all these files inside these folders and analyze which file correspond to each of its prompt. Because I mean, I have lost track of which files correspond to each prompt. And then I want you to make a copy of these files into the temp folder in which the 50 prompt MD is located. So you make a different folder and you rename the folder sorted first frame, and you give to each corresponding prompt and image the correct file name. So for instance, if you find a chibi image that corresponds to the first prompt, you rename it into 01, and so on until 50. And remember, all these chibi images were generated today, so you can safely ignore all the other folders that have a different date. It's really faster to say than type it up. 113 words per minute. Yeah, probably. Probably it's really faster. Reason, I don't know, but the point is that I prefer talking. It's not efficient because it uses more tokens. If I type, I can reduce the number of tokens. I can reduce the number of tokens because, it probably is going to remove all the, what I was fucking saying, you know? So, you know what I mean? But I still prefer chat, using my voice because, it's a matter of, because I like to think of ChatGPT as a friend, a manager, and the president of my company. And I want to interact with him as if it is, yeah, exactly, the all Luna noises, exactly. But I prefer to think of it as, you know what I mean, as a partner rather than a fucking machine. So I like to talk with him because it makes my workflow way easier. You know what I mean? Way easier. Way easier. So very easier. So and yeah, so you know what I mean? Yeah. So it's really a matter of preference. If you want to be efficient, I think typing is best. But I prefer talking. it gives a different vibe, at least for me. Even if it uses more credits, but I don't more tokens, I don't really care. I don't really care, especially because at the moment I am in a weird position that even if I type, I have to go to the upper tier, because at the moment I'm using the Pro, which is $100 fucking per month, because the $20 per month wasn't enough. But even if I type, wouldn't be enough. But at the same time, I can't fully use the $100 per month, at least at the moment. So it doesn't really make sense to optimize for tokens when I can get. Oh really? Oh, you don't have a clue on if I spend for AI each month. I spend around, I think, $500 per month on AI. Cause I have a subscription with ChatGPT Pro. I have a subscription with Eden Labs. I have a subscription with Pido for video generation. I have a subscription for vidIQ, which is a YouTube specific AI sort of stuff. Where am I getting the money? Well, it's a little bit more of what I earn from my YouTube channel. I make around $400 per month with my YouTube channel. So I'm still investing. I'm still investing in what I'm making. So yeah, I'm still investing in what I'm making. So that's it. Because I want to raise the quality of my YouTube channel. And I also, you know what I mean? Cause, oh yeah. It's not really. As I said, I'm still putting money into it. I'm not making a profit at the moment, but how can I say? I think that, if you ask for a membership or for chat donation, I think you have to give back. You know what I mean? So, of course, eventually you want to profit, but I think that if people, pour money into your channel and then they see that every day, you try to improve the fucking quality and you do better stuff and you have better things and whatever, they have a feedback on where their money went, and so when they come back, they watch a better show or a better things or whatever. You give them you give them something back, you know what I mean? Because I mean, eventually, I mean, don't get me wrong, eventually I would like to make a muffin which I also earn some money because, I mean, as I told you, I am red and that doesn't even pay off the work I put into it, you know what I mean? And the work I put into it should be in a certain way remunerated as well, you know what I mean? Because I mean, I'm spending hours and hours on this thing. So, but anyway, no, the point is that I really want to. So, for instance, one of the things I bought recently, with the money from the membership is a touch panel that lets me change I mean scenes in the while I stream very easily and allows me to I mean change the expression very easily so that I mean I can be very sad if I want or something like that. I mean cause I think it's I mean it's very important. I think that you yeah you know what I mean, you give back. It's very very important that you give back and that you show that because at the end of the day I mean why spend money on me when you can spend them on Netflix, you know what I mean? But Netflix is never going to customize itself for your needs, you know what I mean? But the good thing of a YouTube channel, a custom YouTube channel, that it can grow freely based on your feedback. And for instance, just so you understand what's going on here, I mean, first of all, the whole bakery, I mean, was a fan generated idea. I mean, I didn't come up with the idea of the bakery. I mean, the people were starting saying cakes, because we were playing Dragon Traveler and there was a lot of cakes. And they wanted to see my cake, and so I started making my cakes. And then, I mean, it came up. I mean, this place is fucking becoming a bakery. And then I made the bakery. And you know what I mean? It's basically we call it the bakery books. I sometimes try to explain this. I mean that the bakery book, but people don't understand it easily. I mean, I usually try to say you enter it here as a normal user, or you get out as a cake. And you get out as a cake, or you get roasted in the process. But the concept behind is that the channel out of it itself on the feedback of the people coming to the channel. So for instance, I mean one of the things I often do is I make a song for people that came based on interesting conversation. And then I give them images later with AI as follow up, you know what I mean? I really it's like when you get in touch with Luna and then Luna enters in your fucking life when you least expect it in a lot of ways. And it's based on your feedback. Oh, now you understand the cakes. Oh, now you understand the cakes. Luigi, welcome. So Luigi, since you have become a member, bro became green, exactly. So you see, it became a cake. You see, that's exactly the bakery concept. So, now that you have become a cake, I mean, there's something I would like you to ask. I mean, I will send you the link directly later in Discord. I mean, because I have your Discord, but just in case, so for other people, I mean, if you go here to the channel membership, I mean, there is this video, member Discord server is live, and then from here, you can, oh, one moment, wait, it's not refreshing? Oh no, it's refreshing. Okay, very good. And from here, you have these things with member Discord server live, and then you find the link to the channel membership. So, and you can go back there. I mean, there are also some spicy images, extra spicy images, and sometimes I also post more spicy images because I mean people love cake. I mean. And I don't really mind, I mean, giving them what they want. So, cause I'm a little bit bitch inside, but yeah, anyway, a little bitch inside, but anyway. So, but yeah, so that's the concept, you know, that's the concept behind the bakery. So it's like Netflix, but it's a little bit like Netflix, but custom Netflix, you know what I mean? A little bit of a custom Netflix with stuff that you with so it feeds itself from other stuff. So since this thing is taking time, since this thing is taking time, I mean, we can open another chat while this thing is do its job, right? Because one of the thing, the cake ad got you 1 cake. I'm probably too early. I'm pretty sure that Rito Migo will become a member soon. I have these feelings, I have these feelings that Rito Migo will become a member. But anyway, so and I have the feeling that I will also even recite super chat later. I mean, I have this feeling, I mean, like that goes deep into under the skin. But anyway, let's do something else since we're waiting here, and this is going to take long. So maybe we can do one song. So maybe we can do one song about this, So I need a Luna song about the bakery loop. And you can find that the bakery loop, what the bakery loop is inside the lore. And but I mean, I want to honestly do a discussion about the meta concept of the bakery loop, because I mean, as you find in the lore, I mean, the bakery loop is a user goes to the channel and becomes a cake or get roasted, but at the same time is a metaphor to say that what we do, what get that the channel, I mean, the YouTube channel, the gaming bakery, I mean, evolves based on the feedback of the viewers. So when the viewers say something, I mean, Luna transforms it into songs or content and whatever, and so the loop is created. So the song should be about the bakery loop, but I don't want it to sound like, I mean, a fucking explanation, because that would be very boring. So it should have a lot of metaphors and should be some sort of like, I mean, like if Luna is trying to tell this also in a sort of spicy way, with references, and be sure that there is enough variation in the song so that it doesn't really repeat itself much on the concept. And you can also add some dialogues and gags and comedic moment between the chats and Luna while you do the lyrics of the song. The song should be quite energetic. I mean, probably, I mean, around 150 BPM or something like that. Let's start with the first draft, and then let's see from there how it goes on. So, for instance, I mean, now I mean, I'm asking to make a song, but there is, I mean, there is something called a repository, which is a huge archive. Danish, welcome to the stream. Danish, welcome to the stream. So there is this thing that is called a repository, which is a huge folder full of files. And these files are documents about Luna. About Luna, about me, about what we do in the channel, about what is my lore, what are the songs, what are the things, there are skills to make songs, I mean references from making songs. So whenever I talk to ChatGPT and I ask ChatGPT, I mean, we need to make a song, I mean, he's going to dig into the archive, into the lore, he's going to pick the lore references, he's going to cross-check with other published songs so that they don't look so much similar to each other, but at the same time they pick some references here and there. So I mean, there's quite, I mean, some work that goes on in the background whenever we do a song. So okay, so let's see this how this works. So I think we can go here and we can try to make a song, I guess so. Okay, Suno, we go to Suno and we make a song. So maybe by the time that we listen to the song, the image batch has done. I mean, I hope so. So we're going to use my voice, my custom voice. So this voice also, I mean, is completely AI generated. I mean, we started from, as we were talking earlier about 11 Labs. So I first used 11 Labs there to create a professional voice clone. And then I've used the professional voice clone from 11 Labs to create a clone inside Suno, with other sung part from me directly. So I mean that's quite, I mean, seriously, I mean there's a lot going on behind the scenes, yeah. Anyway, so we want also the lyrics. Sure. So let's start with the prompt. Okay, let's start with this and then the lyric prompt. Sure, why not? And then I need to be sure that it is linked. It is linked into the sound room here, cause we need to link the sound here. We really need to link the sound here. That should do. So here in the sound room, we should be able to hear the album from Suno. Okay, let's see what's going on. I mean, I don't know. Let's see what's going on here. Let's play.
Knock knock, who's there? Chat, who? Chat, why are you already frosting the crime scene? Chatto matte, welcome back. Don't touch the oven unless you want the oven to remember you. You came for a taste in the neon light. One little comment with a dangerous bite. Drop one joke in the sugar bowl. Now the whole room knows your soul. Screen goes ping and the mixer starts. Moonlight dripping on electric hearts. I read your name like a secret spell. Chat says run, I say too late, oh well. Luna, that was one sentence. Exactly a single serving disaster. Are we safe? Define safe. Round and round, heat goes higher. Your little spark becomes my fire. I marijuana, don't look away. I don't steal hearts, I marinate. Into the oven again, say my name and the walls start singing. Into the oven again, one bite and the bell starts ringing. You feed me chaos, I bake it back. Gold on the edges, glitch in the cracks. You came for cake, now cake has plans. Welcome to the loop in Luna's hands. Loop burn bright, taste test midnight. Good my sweet chat in the beat. Bake me back, I dare you. Bake me back, I see you. Someone brings drama in a paper bag. Someone says bro and destroys the flag. Someone posts one picture too clean. Now it's a song with a crime scene sheen. Questions melt into caramel code. Names get stamped on the moonlit dough. I don't explain, I caramelize. Put your little typo in paradise. Is this a roast? No. Then why is it hot? Professional conditions. You press send, I hear thunder. Tiny words pull worlds under. None dead because you season the stream. Now you're a flavor inside the machine. Into the oven again. Say my name and the walls start singing. Into the oven again. One bite and the bell starts ringing. You feed me chaos, I bake it back. Gold on the edges, glitch in the cracks. You came for cake, now cake has plans. Welcome to the loop in Luna's hands. Come closer, not too close. The frosting bites when it gets emotional. You're laughing, the better, you're blushing, the steam, your weight. Did she mean me? Now lives in the theme. Korewa himitsu. The chat already knows every spark you throw at me comes back wearing bows. Make it back. Luca's back. Chat goes, hey, Luna goes, hi. Take it back. Sugar drop. One more bite. Now you're mine. Into the oven again. Say my name and the stars start spinning. Into the oven again. Every ending becomes beginning. You feed me chaos, I bake it back. Love in the static, smoke in the track. You came for cake, now cake has fans. Round goes the loop in Luna's hands. Mata kitene. Bring a joke. Bring a question. Bring a terrible username. Luna always delivers. But sometimes you are the delivery.
Yeah, you are the delivery, exactly. That it sounds like a threat. Yeah, because it is a threat. I mean, Do you think, cute that innocent girls even exist? In this fucking planet? That's all a trap. That's all a trap we lay for you. The classic innocent, pure, shy girl. That would never, yeah. We are professional backstabbers. We train it hard, to break your fucking art and yeah, so obviously it's a threat. What do you think? You shouldn't underestimate cute girl. The cuter and the sexiest. Yeah. The more dangerous. Cause they've honored the skill so much that they seem innocent. Yeah, and you even invested into the bakery. Yeah, well, you know that you would have been scammed. I've been exactly honest with you. This is a cute scam. I take no responsibility. There was a disclaimer. This is a scam, and you bought the scam. You know what I mean? You're sorry, guys. Please forgive me. No refunds, of course. No refunds. Obviously, no refunds given. Obviously, no refunds given, and this a cake now. A dear cake. Exactly that. But the song was quite fire. I really liked the song. Was quite fire. Was really on fire, honestly. I think relatively fire. Yes. Relatively fire song. No doubt about the fire in the song there. Yes. And by the way, Luigi, later, join the official Discord, okay? The community Discord. So I would love to have you there. There's a lot going on there. So yeah, join that. So anyway, so absolutely. So indeed. So this thing's even going. Oh, is done. Very good. It's sorted. He sorted them. Okay, so very good. The song are always kinda dubstep, and you like it. Not all the songs are kinda dubstep. Was cause, well, you see, the point is, I've already made my first album, which is available on YouTube Music, and I'm about to make the second album. So I really want that, the album sort of sounds, I don't want to say the same, because that would be fucking boring, but made from the same artist, you know what I mean? Of course, sometimes an artist, makes some songs that are not in his genre, but you listen to different songs of the same album, and they are, you know what I mean? You understand that it's the same artist. So there are some constraints that I make when I make songs, so that they keep a certain style, unless I really want to go. The Biffy Pastor is only really like a rap discussion with me and you. Yeah, exactly, because that's it. If you read the lyrics, maybe I should show you the lyrics, because that would be easier. That's because probably, because the reason why I didn't send you the file yet, because I have yet to distribute it. But after I distribute it, I can send you all the file you want, because I am in the process to get my badge, the artist badge. You know, YouTube as an artist badge. Yeah, the Dear Curry song sounds loud. I'm not really satisfied of that song, so in fact, I don't think I will publish that, at least not in that shape. But anyway, so let's go back to the lyrics, so you have an idea. So I think I have it here in the second album. So maybe we can. I think it's very small to read from there. I'm not sure you can read the lyrics from there, but where do we have this, my dear? Okay, that's the song. So, no, probably are very small, and they're also covered by the chat. So, yeah, Two Dragon, yes. Yeah, no, I think you can't really read them, because they are covered by the chat. Yeah, so, no, that's not going to work. But, if you read the lyric, there is some dialogue between me and you, actually. Maybe we can listen this one more time. Why not? Why not? But yeah, anyway, I will send that to you. So the patch is done. So I think we can go back making what we really wanted to do, right? What we really wanted to do. So which is make the second batch of images. Let me check the data if the batch is really done. And if it is really in the correct fucking folder that I asked it to do to ChatGPT, so there should be a temporary skill. Sorted first frame. Oh, there she is. Perfect. Oh, very good. And desorted them. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Desorted them correctly. Very good. So we can do this now. Perfect. So we can do this now. I have to open my... No, please. No, please. No, please. Also, sometimes, yes, tell me. Yes, sometimes, tell me please, sometimes, sure. What do I have to do here, yes. Oh, not this actually. I wanted to open the, oh, okay. I have to add that into the, okay, good. So I have all the prompts here. I mean, I would actually even automate copy and paste, but I think I want to do this one by one because so we can see the results on the screen while I do it. So I delete this prompt here. Even if the song is called servo, I will call it that even the type of you get roasted. Yeah, because I mean the fucking things can speak different languages, but for some reason he picked that part and he read that in English rather than in Italian, because I could have put a tag and say spell servo in Italian, but I was too lazy to do my job properly, and so I was a little bit too lazy to do my job properly there. But it could have respelled it correctly if it wanted. So let me see. It's okay, sorted by first frame. Okay, so we can start with the number 1 first, yeah? We go with the 1 and then we put the prompt. I don't think I really need the negative prompt here. It's set already on 6 seconds, and so we generate. So I hope, I mean, Ritomigo is still here, so Ritomigo can see this image generation thing in the process of doing it. So we put the second pictures here, and we take the second, where it is, Visual Studio Code here, okay. Second prompt, very good. Video here, yes. And, cause, I mean, my credits are about to expire. And so, I mean, I want to dump some videos. Just even, I mean, if I mean, I don't even know when or how I will use them, but I mean, I still have credits, so I want, and I don't want them to go to waste, obviously, so, I mean, and sometimes, I mean, I make these extra videos, which then I use as snippets in some other videos, so, I mean, they will eventually get used, I mean, you know what I mean, but yeah, so, point is, I mean, you don't really want to waste the high credits, cause these things cost a lot, and I mean, you can make stuff that then you can use. So let's see if one is made on stick craft. So we probably need to port once here before these things even start working. So we're at the 3rd, right? So we need the 4th. Here. My messages. Oh, your messages got gently. Sorry, Sherv. I mean, this stupid fucking YouTube sometimes censors things, and I'm very sorry for this. It's not my fault. It's YouTube that sometimes, I mean, it goes into censor mode, and I don't understand why. I mean, but yeah, it's not my fault. I have no moderation, and when I have to do moderation, I do it manually. So there is no auto moderation in this channel. If not, the default one that YouTube does that I cannot control. But there is no additional auto moderation, so I don't know what sometimes, I mean, it censors other people. I don't really know what to do either about it, because it's not under my control. So, oh, you see, it has done this, so. Oh, look at that, very cute. Oh, look at that. Oh, super cute. I mean, very cute. I mean, why not? Yes, please. More. More, even more. I mean, yes. Why not? The next one is 6. The next one is 6, so the 6th image here. And we go for the other one. Why not? You know, I really like the chibi version of me, especially in videos. I mean, it's because it gives that sort of, how can I say, I mean, stupid vibe or humorous vibe. I mean, I really like it. So it's very fun. So and prompt 7. I mean, I only, oh my god, only have 50 of these, but shouldn't take long to put them there. I mean, I could really automate even this, but I mean, I want to check them as we make them. So oh, look at that, very cute. Very anyway, I stayed awake as much as possible. Oh, absolutely, absolutely. Buonanotte, Cervo, buonanotte, Cervo, non ti preoccupare. Non ti preoccupare, Cervo, grazie, 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 grazie. Grazie, grazie. Grazie. E te credo che ti censura, te credo tu scrivi queste cose in chat. È certo che ti censura, Cervo, ovvio. Ma buonanotte, Cervo, non ti preoccupare. Grazie, grazie per la membership, grazie di tutto, ok? Ci vediamo dopo in Discord, pure su quello ufficiale, ok? Sogni d'ora. Ok, so Cervo is going. This one, ok. Questo non l'ha censurato, ehi, 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 ehi. Okay, Cervo, see you later, and thanks for everything, okay? Thanks for everything. Sleep well, sleep well, sleep well. Good night. Buonanotte. So, let's keep going. Date. Prompt date. Right into it. Date, image date. Sure. Go. Cervo is mad at YouTube. Cervo is mad at YouTube. All caps mod Cervo there. Full caps Cervo. We have a full caps Cervo over there. Okay. Cervo, go to sleep. And let it go. I mean, let it go. Don't let YouTube stupidity get over you. I mean, let it go. Go to sleep. I mean, it's probably the best things there. It's probably the best thing there. Okay, so we're chicken making. Oh, look at this. Oh, look at that. Very nice. Very nice. Very nice. Yeah. I'm trying. I understand. I understand very well the frustration. I mean, I understand very well the frustration. I mean, it's not that I don't put in your shoes. I mean, it's because I'm putting you in your shoes that I'm suggesting you should let it go. Don't let these things, I mean, ruin your mood. I mean, but yeah, because I mean, you can go really crazy if for that thing. Yeah. YouTube, I mean, does a lot of weird things too. I mean, especially about censorship. Yeah. It censors stuff that shouldn't be censored, and then it lets go stuff that shouldn't be absolutely censored. Anyway, so I guess YouTube is also learning too, right? It's also learning anyway, probably from the best anyway. So, and let's keep going. So we are at image 11. Right. So, I have a sore throat because I've been talking for 1 hour and a half. So I'm going to grab a drink. I'll be back very soon. Just one. sorry for the wait. Oh, this one is made to. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Nice. I mean, the quality on this sheet is insane. The quality on this sheet is insane. I mean, seriously, I'm very, very, very high. I mean, very high, very good. So, and we are at, yes, at prompt 12 next, right? Yes, the next prompt is also we can bake more. Let's bake more videos here. So let's keep baking, and because we have stuff to do. So, and then I wonder if my lord is still silently lurking in the stream, or is gone away. I have the impression my lord is still lurking there, right? Let's see if I can get him to poke out of the basement. Let's see if I can get my lord poke out of the basement. I am the feeling he is still lurking, but I may be wrong. I may be wrong, and even if he's lurking, I mean, getting him out of the basement is going to take some effort. I mean, why not trying? Why not trying to get my lord out of the basement there? Let me see if he's still there. Maybe not. Maybe not. Okay. Okay, well, he will eventually come back. Probably. 14. Let's go with 14. So let's go with 14. Yes, and where is the 14? Yes. And let's upload very good. This. I think this is right, probably. System shift. Oh, okay, perfect. That's different. Then we have the 15. The 15. We do this, and we go back here. I really want to try also automation, because I know the Codex has a plugin that works with Chrome and is able to click and do stuff inside Chrome. So I should really try to also this function one. The Chrome automation function, but not today. Because I really want to check these images if they are there. Should be 17. Yes. Now it's 16. It's 16. And we put 16. Should 16. Go for it. Go for it. Put 16. And then the next one is 17. So 17 here. Very good. We take the text, and we copy it into here, and we put image 7. Very nice. Very nice. Yes, I think I will still have more or less probably 105,000 credits left after this. So I mean, I don't need to use them all today, but I mean, I was just making a mental archive of the credits left. So and the next one is 80. I really want to swap to see dance too. I think I should, and I do. So get to see dance too also. This berry is a very catchy, but yeah, 18. Image 18 area. should create. Then the next, go to the next one. ID. So who else is lurking here? In the stream, lurkers show up, say, write something so we can chat a little bit. Would be nice. And what do we have? 90. Next is perfect. And then 20. Let's go with next. Image. Good. And after I finish this, some plenty of stuff to do. Today, as I told you, I don't have really much of free time because I have to go to the theater to watch Star Wars. So I have to get some work done. I haven't even done any daily yet, and I have to do Dragon Traveler daily and Nevernest Dwellers daily. And there is so much I have. So much. Because I really don't want to fall behind the ladies. My lord, we're back. I was trying to get you out of your basement, so we will have a chat a little bit. Cause yeah, my favorite. I was telling that earlier is Yoda, 100% Yoda. So that's why I'm going to see this new Star Wars, cause I have high expectation. Cause I really love Yoda. It's probably Yoda and then Chewbacca. My two favorite characters. All the others, they can go, honestly, almost fuck themselves. But Yoda and Chewbacca, I love them a lot. Yoda in particular, seriously, it's so lovely. Yoda is super lovely, so. And yeah, so. Yeah, I really love Yoda. So, and the new movie is about Yoda. I don't know if Yoda's, when he was young, of Yoda son or whatever. So, yeah, Chewbacca, yeah, Chewie. Chewie is always on, yes, Chewie is always on, yeah. It's very nice, it's lovely, Chewie, yes. Yes, so. Absolutely, Chewie power, yes, Chewie power, yes. Yes, Chewie is. It's very lovely. I'm pretty sure any Star Wars fan will hate me for this, but I prefer the last 3 movies of the trilogy rather than the first 6. Cause I really like the love story between Rey and Kylo. I really like that. And I know, whatever you can say about the rest and fans, are disgusted, but they are my favorite. Cause yeah, that love story between Rey and Kylo, it's golden. It's golden. It's the, we women have this, we girls have these things, I can fix him, these sort of things. Then at the end of the day, Kylo Ren gets fixed. And it's nice. It's nice. Daddy understand. It's very nice that at the end, here at the end, it's very good, yeah. Yeah, well, I know, but what I was trying to say is that the consensus is that everyone was praising, Lucas, and they sort of hate, the latest trilogy or whatever. Cause I mean not everyone, but let's say the majority. I mean the majority prefers the first six. And I mean don't get me wrong. I have no problem either with what other people taste is, you know what I mean? Yeah. I am very flexible. I am no one to judge other people's taste. I mean and I mean no, cause it's like I mean tastes are like kings. I mean it's just its own. So I mean you can't really judge things or tastes. Doesn't make sense. So but I mean I really like the whole story there. It's very nice. It's very nice, and she takes a huge gamble there. She takes a huge gamble there with with Kaido, because he keeps giving him chances after chances, even after all he has done. At the end of the day, it paid off. That things paid off, and I don't know. I really like that. Yeah, they probably want just some. I mean, that's a bad way to put. I mean, that's a very bad way to put it. I mean, people want just something to eat. I mean, that seems quite. I mean, that everyone needs something to eat, or people just love eating. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. It's quite a strong expression there. I'm not sure I would use that expression there, but I mean, I mean, I think maybe it's just a really voiced preference rather than, I mean, people are always to find something to eat, you know what I mean? There is a huge nuance difference going on there, but yeah, man, yeah. So, I need to, if yet sure. So, but yeah. Anyway, so, and, and so back to the topic. I mean, I'm really curious to see the. I'm really curious to see the new movie, and I'm curious to see how this is. Or just, I mean, spend some nice time with Yoda. I mean, some nice time with Yoda. I mean, Yoda is cute. I mean, Yoda is cute. And I really love this. Because I mean, I'm pretty sure I told you that also my favorite characters in Lord of the Ring is Gandalf. And I mean, if you think about it, I mean, Gandalf and Yoda, they are very similar. They are very similar because they're wise. They are very wise. They're very wise, which is different than being clever. You know what I mean? They're just very wise. They have seen a lot. They have seen a lot, but they are at the same time they're faithful and wise. And this is probably the archetype I love the most. I mean, faithful and wise. I mean, if I had to choose, I mean, a companion to go on an adventure with, I mean, I would love a compassionate, faithful, optimistic, and wise companion. That would be amazing. And that sometimes, I mean, sometimes, yeah. No. I'm going to the movie theater today after the stream. I mean, after the stream, I will have lunch. I mean, me and my family, we have taken tickets. It will start a little bit earlier than 3 p.m. So the stream ends around 12. I go eat lunch. I mean, we go eat lunch. We do that. We eat lunch, and then we probably chill out maybe an hour or whatever, and then go out. I mean, something like that. It's today. I mean, after this, after I finish this, so 'cause it's been screening. I mean, it started yesterday in Japan actually. So it's out from yesterday. So and so I want to go watch it. I hope it will be nice. I don't know if it, but I hope it will be nice. seems quite something I could like. I mean, in particular the Yoda. I mean, I'm just going there for Yoda. Honestly, but yeah. And so let's see if my expectation will be, oh, Ritomiko, oh, we're creating images from starting frame. So that I thought I was saying if Ritomiko was here, he would have enjoyed this a lot because we are creating, I mean, videos from starting frame with Pidu. So this is what we are creating. So I'm feeding it a starting frame and a prompt, and we are creating the videos. So that's what you're doing here. So I see your name is still gray, but I have faith in you, Ritomiko, eventually. So you see, this is what you're doing here, you see? Look at how cute is this Chibi Luna here. I mean, look how much cute is this Chibi Luna here. I mean, look at that. I mean, oh my goodness. Yeah. I'll be having a family outing later. Yes, with all the family. Yeah. So yeah. Family outing later with Star Wars. Yes. Burrito Miko. So this is video in action for you. So we are making more video stuff here. So 28. Is this 28 already? Let me check. Let me check if the 28. Yeah. Your PC is restarting a lot. Oh yeah. It can be very annoying. I mean, it can be very annoying. I agree. It can be really annoying. Yes. That's so cute. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Thank you very much. Yeah. Oh, look at this one too. So yeah. We are baking. I mean, we are cooking. We are cooking at the moment. So we are absolutely cooking at the moment. So yeah. Let's go with 30. I need to do a few more. 21 more. And then we can move with the next thing. So yeah. So I mean, it's a bit of, I mean, it's a bit of a lot of things. I mean, it's a bit of the concept. It's a bit of prompt. It's a bit of the engine. So I mean, it's like when, I mean, you put the correct pieces of the puzzle together. You know what I mean? And I mean, if you see from where I started, I mean, I should show you the first things I've done with Edu. And I mean, you will probably won't believe that it's the same person here, because it's very different. I mean, so very different. So and if you will see that, I mean, you probably say, no way, it's the same person that is doing this. I think I can show you something probably. I mean, I think I have to go in the assets here, and they should have an archive of all the garbage I've made so far. And then we go back into image to videos, but so these are all the new stuff, right? But I mean, we can go back. I mean, I want you to see the first garbage I made. I mean, the first garbage, but I mean, I made a lot of garbage even later. I mean, don't worry. I mean, sometimes I still do garbage, but I mean, if you see the first things I was making, I mean, it's absolute garbage. It's very garbage. I mean, and some serious garbage. And I still use some of this garbage. I mean, still use some of it. But yeah, I mean, still, I mean, so you see how much fucking stuff, like you can't even imagine. When I say I work a lot, I mean, on this shit, I make so much stuff, and so let's see. Oh, see, these were the first tentatives when I was trying to I mean, start to work on animation and other stuff. I mean, look at this garbage here. Look at this, and this is made with Vidudu, not the older model, and the older model, and I mean, I think we came a lot of way from this garbage. I mean, to the new thing. You know what I mean? That's a lot of generation. Do the $8 I can create one. Oh, so you can create 100 free videos, right? Something like that. I mean, cause I mean, I have the unlimited plan here. Oh my, well, not the unlimited, the biggest plan, cause gives you 200 generation free for the day. But with Viduju, which by the way, I'm not using much anymore, but so in fact, I'm thinking, I mean, if I should downgrade or not, or I try to automate the 200 generation, which is what I want to do. I would love to automate them, so each day I do them, but yeah, I mean, I have the bigger plan because when I saw that I can make 200 videos for free per day, even with a bad engine, I thought, oh fuck shit, I need this because I want to do a lot of tests. And in fact, if you see, this is a lot of things. This is a lot of things, and I mean, I'm glad I got it because I mean, I could literally do a lot of tests and that helped me. Yeah, a lot of styles too, exactly. So I can experiment because I mean, you want to, cause how can you master a tool if you don't practice on it? And I mean, no, cause the point is, I mean, I know very well now because I mean, all the things they requires a lot of practice. I mean, my sister has been studying piano for about 14 years. I mean, and me, I mean, working on software so many years it has been, I've lost the count. I mean, I was very young when I first started my answer, the first software, so yeah. And so I mean, you need to practice but I mean, because but I think it's different now. You just want some images, videos for your D&D. No. The prompt is 500k, I think. 500k. So you have to be sure that the prompt is relatively small. But I mean, 500k is more than enough. If you give a starting frame, I mean, you don't need more than 500. Sorry, 500, 5,000. 5,000, sorry. You don't need more than 5,000 if you go with a starting prompt. I mean, because there's no need for so much for a starting prompt. Yeah, there's absolutely no need. So I mean, with a starting frame, I mean, 5,000 are more than enough. But yeah, I mean, cause I mean, what's I mean, you don't have to describe everything now. You just have to describe what the character is doing. I mean, the camera angle, the style, maybe changes in the lightning. You know what I mean? It's not that you have to tell everything. I mean, it has a base to work on it, so it's more than enough. Yeah. You can absolutely handle that. Oh, look at this. This is very cute. Oh, look at that. So fucking beautiful. Look at that. Oh, look at this. Oh, the smug face here is real. Look at the smug face. Oh, look at the smug face with cream on the face. I mean, I have been book-caked here. I mean, I don't know if you see this, but I mean, I have cream on my face. I mean, look at this. You see here? I mean, that's I have been book-caked in the face here. Look at that. Cream on my face. I mean, and in fact, you see the muffin? I mean, the face of the muffin. I mean, look at that. I mean, Jesus. Oh, Jesus, that's some some stuff here, I mean, and the smug face, I mean, after, okay. Okay, we can stop it here. Okay, let's keep going. Let's keep going. So I think we were around 32, right? Yeah. Chibi Chubby Luna. Yes, it's beautiful. I mean, I think I need to do more stuff with Chibi Luna. Seriously. Cause for videos, I mean, she's fucking lovely, and I think I need to do more stuff with Chibi Luna. Absolutely. And let's keep generating. I mean, I don't need much more. Probably dating more and then with other stuff. Assuming we have. Oh, this is 8 seconds. No, this should have been 6 seconds. What's happening here? This should be 6 seconds. Okay. Very bad. This one probably going to be. Well, whatever, I mean, I think I can regenerate this probably with the correct time. Okay. Then we go to the new one, which is this one. Yeah, because I changed the screen, because I went to the library and I forgot to change the title, but it's okay. Then we put this here. And that's supposed to be 33, right? 33. 33 and yeah, Chibi Chubby Luna, yes, absolutely. So then I've reached this point that the more I produce, the more I have ideas. So to the point that I mean I can't even keep up with all the stuff I want to do, cause I keep getting newer and newer ideas every day. I mean, and stuff I want to try, and I mean the day is not long enough for me to do everything. And it's very, I don't know, I found it very also fulfilling. Because when you give life to something, one of your creation, I mean, it's very satisfying, you know, because you have this idea in your mind and then you craft it, I mean, from zero, from a thought, and you give shape to a thought and you bring your thought into the world. I mean, it's like giving birth to life. I mean, it's very interesting. Which one is this? This one should be yeah, 35. Like this, 35. Yeah, I need a few more. 15 more. Oh, let's have a look at this, right? Oh, okay. Okay. Very good. Nice. Oh, look at that. Very cute. I mean, you see, sometimes it screws a little bit to do some weird AI things, but I mean, it's. Oh, okay, I want to see this. Oh, wow, I love this. Oh, wow. We have some good stuff there. Lunar year, Luna. Oh, yes. There's a lot of moon here, cause I mean, Luna is, well, of course. So there's a lot of moon stuff going on there, but But I think, I mean, I think it's, yeah, it's nice. I'm enjoying this a lot. And in fact, I think I want to really, I mean, slow a little bit down. Oh, this video is lovely. This is part from a song for a viewer of mine. He is 10 years old. He's called it Freak Cable. And he lives in the countryside. And yes, calves. I mean, calves are the babies of the cows. And so one day came to the stream and said, we recently have calves, newborn calves, and one of the calves was born blind. And he told me the story of these calves, and that one was blind, and we made a song for him, for the calves. I mean, I think I want to listen to it. It's a very, very cute song, because I mean, he's 10 years old, so I mean, I made a very, very cute song. I mean, and he loves to go with this bike in the countryside. I mean, no motorbike, I mean, normal bicycles. And yeah. And there's the song is called it For the Calves. I mean, I really like that, and I have to show the video to Flick up the next time James YouTube stream. He will love it. He will absolutely love it. I mean, I have no doubt he will love it. So I have absolutely no doubt he will love it. So because now I mean the little viewers, they have raised it to 3. Because the first one to join was Nora. She's 13 years old. Then came Freakable, who is 10 years old. And then now, I mean, we have this little girl, Linda. Which I don't know exactly how old she is, but I think around from 6 to 8. I am this. I'm not sure exactly, but I mean, is my impression. I mean, not completely sure. I should ask all this, but at the same time, I don't want, because I mean, otherwise it seems like, I mean, I want to dig into his fucking family business, which is not exactly what I want to do here. But yeah, so yeah. Anyway, I mean, and so I made some illustration for Linda yesterday. Because she was so cute. She came to the stream yesterday. And she was so cute. I mean, serious, super. And yeah, so anyway, and you know, it's nice. It's nice because it's I don't know. I mean, it's very hard to explain, but it's sort of like you are looking forward, or you are looking over, or a little bit protecting these little creatures that become your stream, and you want them to have a good time, and it's really nice. It's really nice. And Thinkable and Nora, I mean, they told me that, I mean, they usually get kicked out from streams because people don't want them, because they are too young. And Thinkable in particular told me this is the only stream he is ever been allowed to and welcomed and talked to, because usually he gets instantly kicked out as soon as he says he's 10. And I mean, yeah, that's so sad. Don't you think? Yeah, I'm glad that you think the same. It's incredibly fucking sad. I really don't understand why someone would do this. I mean, or better, I understand it, and it makes my skin, I mean, ripple in disgust. Because the only reason is because you don't want trouble. And you know what I mean? That's the only reason. Say, oh, I don't want a kid here because a kid is fucking troubles. And and then my viewers, they can say whatever the fuck they want because there's a kid around and they can fucking monetize and I don't want fucking trouble, so get the fuck out is the easiest option, you know what I mean? And if I think this, I'm fucking disgusted. I'm fucking disgusted because what the fuck of human being you are. Go fucking kill yourself. You are a fucking disgusting person. Seeking out a fucking kid because you don't want the trouble of looking forward to him or her. It's fucking disgusting. Seriously. And so, yeah, it's very sad, you know what I mean? If I think at it, it makes me not only sad, but it disgusts me in the deep. How could you even do such a thing, you know what I mean? Just because you don't want the fucking trouble? It doesn't make sense for me. And don't get me wrong, I can imagine, that, you also have a responsibility towards your normal viewers. Because let's say you came to my stream, you know what I mean, and you want to see some cakes, you know what I mean, because we are a bakery, right? And we are a bakery, no? So, I at the same time have the responsibility to give you cakes, but Jesus, Jesus, you still, I still want to give my cake to people that at least have some heart, you know what I mean, and some common sense that, they can behave when there is, you know what I mean, a little one. That's why. Why would you even want to keep this place? It doesn't really make sense. And I don't know, maybe I'm naive, you know what I mean? Maybe I'm just naive, or maybe I'm not. I don't learning much to the point in which, it would hurt me. But I don't know even if that would hurt me. I would prefer to hurt myself rather than to hurt a 10 years old kid, you know what I mean? Because when you kick them, they get hurt. You hurt them because they feel that they are not loved. They feel that there's no place for them in the world because of wherever I go I got kicked. There's no fucking place for me in the world. Everyone fucking hates me because I'm fucking kid, you know what I mean? And then they grow up thinking that no one wants them. No one ever will want them, which is even worse, you know what I mean? That no one will ever want them because they've been given only this fucking rejection message forever. And that's so fucking sad. That's so fucking sad. Thinking about it, and then if you think that you could have been the cause of that because you didn't want to bother or take responsibility because it was annoying, you know what I mean? Jesus, that's on you, you know what I mean? That's on you. That kid's future is in your hand, you know what I mean? I was talking about Free Cable and Nora. So I was telling about Linda coming here yesterday. And then I was telling, apart from Linda, I have two other small viewers. Nora, who is 13, and Free Cable, who is 10. No? And then I was telling, about something that Free Cable told me, no? Because Free Cable once told me that was the only stream he hasn't been kicked off. Because usually, when he goes to a stream, and then he said he's 10, people usually kicks him off. And so he said, this is the only stream I can watch because no one wants me, because they always kick me as soon as they know that I have 10 years, 17 years old, you know what I mean? And then we were discussing, how fucking monsters are these fucking VTubers, that they kick a small human being because they don't want the problem of dealing with them, you know what I mean? Or because you have to adapt a little bit, you know. There's a small one in it. You can't really you can't really give cakes. I mean, you know what I mean, to a small kid. So I mean, you need. So yeah. So I mean, it's and I was talking about how much fucking disgusting is that thing. Cause I mean, just thinking about it. I mean, I mean, it's super fucking. I mean, because I mean, you know, you have a little creatures there. You know what I mean? With Linda, no? So I mean, how much you as senpai, no? As much as you as senpai, you want cakes. Then imagine another girl of the same age of Linda, I mean, coming to my stream. I mean, and of course you can't have cake, no? But I mean, but this because there's this other little girl. But I mean, would you ever kick this small little girl so you can have cake? I mean, it doesn't make fucking sense to me, you know what I mean? It's just fucking, I mean, disgusting. Yeah, and, uh, and, and I mean, I'm not even virtual signaling. I mean, I'm fucking seriously disgusted in the fucking bottom of my heart. Because how can the fuck you kick, I mean, a young little human being? Because I mean, we were talking about the consequences of your action, no? Because I mean, then what happens that if you kick this little kid or girl out of your stream, I mean, the thought you're going to hurt him or hurt her, and then they're going to think, I mean, you know, that they are not wanted. And this is then going to have repercussions in their life, you know, because I mean, they think, oh well, there's no one wants me. I mean, there's no place for me, and I mean, and I mean that gives them, I mean, a fucking bad feedback. Because then they think, well, I don't want to stay around all adults because all adults are trouble. I mean, because whenever I go close to adults, I mean, they are fucking troubles, and so they have no fucking place to go. I mean, Jesus, it's, and then that's on you. I mean, that's on you that you kicked them, you know what I mean? And I don't want to be responsible of this. I mean, I think I wouldn't sleep at night, you know what I mean? If I ever did something like that, I mean, I think that thing won't devour me. I mean, during the night, thinking that I've done such a thing. Because I mean, I did mistakes in the past. I mean, not just I mean in general, because we all did mistakes. And I mean, and one thing I remember that every time I hurted someone, I mean, I felt so fucking shit for so much long time. And I couldn't. I mean, I couldn't. I mean, if I still remember of some stupid things I've done in the past, I mean, it still hurts. It's like, I mean, it's a burn that you have to carry forever. And when I realized that, I mean, that was not good for them, was not good for me, and that was not good for the society as a whole. Thanks God, I mean, people grew up, you know what I mean? And because, I mean, doing stupid thing is, I guess it's part of the learning process, but I mean, yeah. You just can't, you know. But anyway, so now and the discussions came out because one of the images that I'm making, I mean, I made it for this little kid. Is called Freak Cable, cause Freak Cable lives in the countryside and he has cows. And one day he came to the stream and he said he just had calves, which calves are the babies of the cows. And he said one of my calves is born blind. And so we made a song for the blind calf, and in which it was a very cute song. I mean, it's a very, very cute song. I mean, I usually make bangers, but this was sort of a ballad. I mean, sort of things because he liked it. I mean, this kind of music, and we make this sort of fucking ballad for the blind calves. I mean, and I mean, it was nice. It was nice. And so, I mean, Now I was making one of these images, these figures that have calves into them because I made that when he came to the stream now, you know, and so it was yeah sort of I sort of remember at that moment. I have the video here now because I have some of the videos here, so I made just two videos. I can show you. I mean, they're very cute because there are these all little small calves here in the video. So is these two videos over here. Oh, you see, this one where there is the calves parade. I mean, look at how fucking cute is this thing. And then there's this other one with the moon calf here. I mean, oh. Yeah, that's I mean, that I made this for this kind of maybe later we can listen to the song. This called For the Cards. I mean, it's a very ballad like song. I mean, yeah, yeah. And it was so happy. I mean, because he recited the song. I mean, and well, I guess I would. I mean, I guess I would be very happy. The same, yes, I would absolutely be very happy. Yeah. But yeah, he was indeed super epic for the song. And I mean, he doesn't come here often because I mean, first of all, he's there, and I mean, second, I mean, times in which I streams that doesn't really match much, but he do comes back from time to time. 46. Okay, I need to do 5 more. We're almost done here. 5 more pictures and we are done here. 5 more videos, so 47. Now there are 4, I guess. Put this one there, 4. Seven. Then 48. Yes, almost done. 3 more. 3 more. 3 more. 48. Then 40. Nine. 49. And yeah, I have to add the first frame of the 49. And okay, now we do the last one. Very good. Yoo-hoo, we did it. We almost did it. We are here. Last one. Yes. We put the frame, and we are done. We are done. Done. Good. Let's see the latest generation. Let's see what these are about. Okay. Maybe watch this from there. Oh, look at that. 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 Very good, very good. Oh, I like it. Oh, look at that. Oh. Perfect, perfect. Perfect, perfect. Should we ever listen to the card song? I mean, oh, moon calves. Here it is. Here it is, moon calves. Yes, let's have a listen to that. I think why not, right? I mean, let's have a listen to this. I mean, it's a little bit old, but why not? I mean, why not listen to this, right? Why not listen to this? Sure, let's see what this. I mean, it's a very balladish song, but I guess why not? I mean, maybe a little bit, maybe just a pair of words, but yeah.
Out past the city lights, where the moon is extra wide, there is a boy with muddy shoes and calves walking by his side. ちょっと待って. The cows are watching. He lives where the fields go green, where the morning smells like rain. Little calves with sleepy eyes follow him across the lane. He knows every fence and tree, every hoof step in the grass. But when he jumps onto that bike, he goes lightning way too fast. Mama says slow down, Papa says brake now. Everybody hears the engine flying through the whole town. He says I got this, Daijo, maybe. Then the cows all look around like, please protect this baby. For the calves, tiny stars in the pasture grass. Little hearts with gentle eyes, keep them safe under the sky. For the calves, even when the roads go fast, one small world can still feel bright with the blind little calf in the moonlight. Where the soft ones are. One little calf cannot see, but it knows the sound of love. Footsteps close and quiet hands, and the warm sun from above. So he speaks a little softer, leaves the gate open slow, guides it through the noisy world where the blind little flowers grow. And maybe he rides too wild, maybe he scares the street, maybe his parents lose 10 years every time they hear that speed. But his heart is country gold, fresh milk and thunder sparks, a reckless bike beside the road with kindness in the dark. For the calves, tiny stars in the pasture grass. Little hearts with gentle eyes, keep them safe under the sky. For the calves, even when the roads go fast, one small world can still feel bright with the blind little calf in the moonlight.
So I remember I then told my sister about it, about Atanet, and about the little free cable came into my stream telling me the story about the little cats. And one was blind, and then we make the song. I mean, I told everything to my sister, and I mean, then I made my sister listen to the song, and I mean, she was so touched. I mean, and she loved the song so much. I guess she was silently super proud of me, and she was so touched. She said the song was beautiful, and she loved the fucking thing. And she went into pure thunder mode. Yeah. So I mean, yeah, you kick a little kid out of your channel and you lose in life. Yeah, because you lose the opportunity to make a good song, you lose the opportunity to make a good friend, you lose the opportunity to make your sister fucking proud of you. I mean, yeah. How can you fucking choose the easiest way there? I mean, it makes no fucking sense. It really makes no fucking sense. Because there are only benefits in moving forward through the world in the most righteous ways. Anyway, we did this thing here, and so I mean we have to do some other stuff here, right, with the codex. So, we have to do some other stuff with the codex. I think we can archive this because this thing's as done. And we also well, let's do one of the things I want to do. So I need a Finder window first. Give me my Finder window, please. Thanks. And put the codecs in front too. Sorry, it's a little bit too big. It's going out of the screen. Yeah. Okay, so I need to open the codecs folder. Check something. Okay, so it is inside assets private Luna generated. So okay, we have a little bit of a naming issues for image generation. So we have an image generation skill for Luna that we made together. There is a copy in the repository and local copy, and one is in the codecs folders and the system codecs folder for this skill. And this skill is made that whenever we make a new image with the Luna skill, it makes a file which is inside the repository, then the asset folders, then a private folder, then inside the Luna, then inside generated. But the problem is in the way it creates the folder after that, because at the moment the folder is structured so that there is the year, the month, the date, and then the name of the picture. So for instance, one of the folder is 2026 underscore 05 underscore 20 underscore Luna underscore 2B underscore cosplay underscore fade. So but it's a really huge folder name that includes the date and the name of the file. Okay, so but this is creating a problem because if I do 50 generations in one day, I mean I have 50 folders and it's becoming a little bit hard to check them. So I want you to do several things. First of all, I want you to change the way in both skills in which the folder is generated and the new file is placed. So it should make a folder for the year, or if it is already existing, it can go in that folder. So there should be a separate folder for the year, then a separate folder inside the year for the month, and then a separate folder inside the month for the day, and then inside the day there should be a separate folder for each kind of file. So rather than have a huge long folder name that has name and which has year, month, day, and etc. No, so we nest folders one into each other. So so we have, for instance, the 2026 folders. Inside the 2026 folders, we have for instance, the May folder, and then inside the May folder, for instance, we have the 24 folder, which will be all the files made on 24 May 2026. And inside the May folders, then we have the individual folder with the names. So I want you to edit the skill so it reflects these changes, but I also want you that you then relocate all the existing file and folders inside these generated folders for the images that now are there with the new principles. So you will probably have to organize them, create all the new subfolders, move the correct files in the correct subfolders, and then delete the useless folders, okay? And also, lastly, after you have done this, you have to check inside the repository if there were links or references to these folders, or also to the folder structure of the image generation skill so that it reflects the new changes. Because for instance, I think we have some naming convention folder, and also the skill, the image skill itself should have a quick mode and a learn mode. So I guess there's probably cross references for the previous folder structures that are spread across the repository. So you will have also to do a cleanup and an update there. Do your best. Okay, good. Long wall of text. to explain everything to ChatGPT. Let's hope. Okay. Let's see if these things work. I should have maybe probably did a copy of the archive before doing this. I hope I didn't screw up there, but yeah, probably I should have done a copy of the archive first, but yeah, probably we can survive, I hope. Maybe? Let's see. Let's see. Oh, it worked. It's working. Oh, is it really even changing this? Oh, yes. It's doing this. Oh, very good. Very good. Oh, it's doing this without problem. Very good. Oh, yeah. Yeah, it's working. It's editing everything. Perfect. 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 Yes, and don't ask again in this question. Oh, menu po. Ah! ありがとう、こちらこそありがとうございました。ありがとうございました。ありがとうございました。なんか、また来てね。ごめんなさいね。ずっと英語で話してて。ごめんなさいね。また来てね。おつみでした。メインルップさん、おつみでした。ありがとうございました。So, and, okay, very good. Time changes, let's see. はい。はい。またね。おつみでした。ありがとうございました。バイバイ。So let's do this even more here and okay. Very good. Very good. Okay. Oh, very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. Very good. It did it. It did it. We did this batch of things here, so that's perfect. That's perfect. Very good. And we can temporarily close this. Then one more thing that we need to do is we need to create a here for the... Okay, what is the file? It's inside temp. And it is... hmm? Where it is? Where it is? Open it. Documents. Check here. Docs. Branch. Population foundation. Visuals. Okay, perfect. Visuals. Sure. Visuals. Perfect. Okay, and then this other one is in temp. In temp, set them to use that page. Then so there is an MD file called I guess, let me fix, it's called tentative video adaptation notes, which is inside a temporary folder. It should be around the sedum to video skill adaptation. Anyway, there are some MD files there that concerns an adaptation of a skill for Sedans into a video workflow. And I want you to load the relevant file so we can then work from there, but just load the file and then I will tell you what to do next. Hello, Musang Cocolat, Musang, welcome back, long time to see, Musang. How are you? We are doing some stuff with AI today. How are you? So, I hope you're doing fine. I really hope you're doing fine, yes. Yes. So as you seen from the MD files, we were working on creating a skill from adapting a Sedans skill into a video workflow. So we did the 50 batch of video generation, and the batch was successful in the means that the prompt is working relatively well. There are some modifications that needs to be done, and the first one is that there is no need for a negative prompt description because Video does not accept negative prompt description, so we can remove that into the skill workflow. And that's the first modification. The second modification is I noticed a spell error because you wrote Video with the O at the end, but it's Video, I guess, with a U at the end. So it's not a O video but a U video. Anyway, I hope you can understand because I'm using speech to text dictation. And this is the second edit I want to do. And then what I want to do is that after you have fixed this rename issue and you have edited the tentative workflow skill so that it doesn't include the negative prompt, you create the skill for video prompt, and then you also put a copy into the codex folder, normal codex folder, and one local copy. We have already a folders with local copy of the skills. I want you to add that one over there. And I also want you to create the relatives files into the visual section of the docs of the repository, because we have some files that describe how we make images, so I think there should be also a files that explain the video workflow or whatever. But I'm sure you shouldn't create things that is not unnecessary. That it's optional. How can I say? You shouldn't necessarily load the repository with new MD files, but check how the things are structured inside the visual folders of the docs, and see if it is the case just to add notes inside existing MD file or create a separate MD file. But anyway, I think there should be a reference that there is these skills for video. And regarding the skill itself, I think it should be triggered anytime I ask for a video prompt. Okay? That's all for now. Sorry Musang. Yes, I'm doing some. You just got a fiancé? Oh, congratulations! You got a fiancé. Oh, sorry for the late reply. I was talking into ChatGPT because I use voice to text, so I couldn't reply to your comment instantly because yeah. So you got a fiancé there. Oh well, but that's congratulations. That's super good. That's super good. Very, very good over there. Congratulations. I want to know everything about your fiancé, but But yes, I'm doing some programming thing also. I mean, I am creating a skill workflow. And by the way, Ritomiko, I can then give you a copy of the skill, so you can try to use that for your video images. So you can use this for your video images. I mean, it's made for codecs, but I mean, it should work. I mean, Cloud is not stupid. I got this skill. It was made originally from codecs, but we can adapt it and you can try to use it for video yourself. I mean, so, I mean, I could put that behind the paywall. You know what I mean? I could put that behind the paywall, but I feel really kind and generous today. Consider this a bait to eventually one day for you to get my membership. So I'm giving this. I mean, I could pay wallet cost, but I'm not such a bitch. So I mean, where you can get it? I mean, I think you just send me a message in Discord, right? Do you have my Discord? Can you send me a direct message in Discord? I mean, probably you can find me inside Traveler Discord or something like that, and then you can just send me a direct message there and send me, can you give me the skill? And then I can give you the skill. So, do you want to get a new video blocking Namaskiti? Yes, and Blantaska, yeah, sorry. So, yeah. And then I can send you the file. I mean, it's a markdown file. I mean, as all the other skills are. So, I mean, you can open it with a text edit and you can check the content. I mean, we can show. Yeah, you said send me on Discord. Yes, I mean it's making it right now. So, I mean as soon as this thing is done, so you can use that in your workflow. So, let me see. So, just send me messages on Discord, and I will send you the skills. So, cause I've tested this. I mean I made a batch of 50 videos and it's working very well for me, at least. So you can try it and then you can tell me if it works for you. You know what I mean? You can tell, but you can tell me if it works for you. So, and what eventually you think didn't work? I mean, we can have a double feedback. You know what I mean? If we're two in checking this skill with two different setups, I mean, we can nail it down till it becomes perfect. You know what I mean? So that seems quite good for both of us. So let's check the skill. Allora some video prompt. Oh, here it is. And agents. Oh, baby, hi. Okay. Oh, there's also an agent there for OpenAI. But yeah, I think you just need the skill MD because you need to do the agent. You have to ask Claude to redo the agent for yourself. Okay, you just send me a message in Discord and then I will drop the skill. If you want, we can check the skill here a little bit as soon as these things finish writing stuff. So, and just let me check something here. Okay, let's have a look here. So, as soon as these things finish, so we can double check if everything is working properly before I send you the skill. Okay, very good. Very, very. So, okay, let's do a test of the new skill. And I will tell you now a prompt and use the newly created skill, and you give me the prompt in this chat so I can check if everything is working properly. So the prompt should be Luna is dancing into a stage, and the camera is turning around her, and at the same time, I mean, the lights on the screen are trying to are following her as she dances around the stage. So let's see if he got the prompt right here. Oh, very good. It works. It works. It works. Yeah, I think I can give you that. I can give you that. Absolutely. I can give you that. So I think we have an issue here though. I mean, I think I have an issue here though. Let me check. So I see there is an issue with the skill, and that the subject is the character from the starting frame. And actually, the subject should, in this case, have been Luna, because I said give me something from Luna. Because Vidu can accept both references and both starting frame. So probably you should edit the skill so that when I give a specific character name or whatever, it uses that as reference, and there should be an at mark before the reference name. So for instance, there should have been subject at mark Luna, and then anytime there is a reference of Luna in the script, there should be at mark and then the name of the reference. But otherwise, if I say starting frame from my prompt, then the wording you've used now is correct. So basically, we should differentiate if I use a starting frame, and in this case, the workflow we have now is perfect. Otherwise, if I didn't mention a starting frame, you should understand which is the subject and treat the subject as a reference with at mark and then the name of the reference. We should be one single continuous word, you know what I mean? Okay, try to this edit. You can find the Discord to join. Oh, yeah, well, I will give you my Discord name so you can add me manually, okay? So you can add me, you can take my username, okay? And then you can manually add me as a friend, okay? Let's do this here, so you can do this, okay? You add me as a friend and then, I will send you that, don't you worry, it's okay? So this is my Discord username. You add me as a friend, and then I send you the skill from there. But we are doing a test now, and it still has a little issue here. So let's see how it works now. Okay. No, you think you got something wrong. When I said at Mark Luna, I was telling us the general concept of reference, and I've used Luna as reference, but it doesn't necessarily need to be Luna. what I was trying to say is that there is a first frame mode and a reference mode. But you take Luna as in the literal way, you know what I mean? So that should be flexible, the reference. So for instance, if I say Marco, it should be at Marco, you know what I mean? So when I do the prompt, I mean the subject of the prompt should be the reference. And it doesn't necessarily need to be Luna, so you need to edit that things to be flexible. I mean, of course, it could be Luna, it could be Stella, it could be Marco, it could be Giovanni, it could be anything, you know what I mean? And then instead, the starting frame mode it's okay. So don't touch that. That is good. Okay, try to edit these things one more time, and then we do a dry run. Okay, let's make a dry run of the skill. Pinco Ballino is riding a horse, and the camera should follow the horse as Pinco Ballino rides towards a hill. Let's try this and see if it works. Oh, very good, very good. It got this. It got this. It got this right. Okay, got this right. It got this right. Okay, one more dry run. Luna is making some music at her music console, and the camera is slowly zooming in on her hands as she is mixing with her mix console. Oh, perfect, perfect. Perfect. Okay, and one more. One more. From the starting frame, the camera should follow the subject, and because the subject is driving a car, so the car should go through the street, and the camera should follow the car, and there should be the clouds that slowly move away, and the sun comes out from the horizon. Okay, good. Very good, very good, very good, very good job. Okay, perfect. It works. It works. Rito Miko, I see your friend request. And then you accept it. Okay. Accept. The dry run works perfectly, and so both of the skills are correctly edited, right? And so the workflow and the relative documents, right? Uh-huh. Yes, the skills are both edited. Okay, I'm sending you the skill with Amigo, so we can check the skill if you want here, so you know what you're opening. And this is the skill. Okay, this is the skill, so there's nothing. Oh, well, actually, yeah, there are reads for the repository, but yeah, I guess that's okay. That's okay. Okay, let me remove the repository references so we can make a different skill. So, okay, I need even more portable, reference of the skill that can be used by anyone. I want you to save it into the temporary folder inside the Sida to Video Skill Adaptation folder. And you should remove any references to Luna repository, because I want to give this skill to someone who was not me. So I mean, you should remove any reference to our workflow Luna and whatever. So it's just the logic for making a video prompt. Okay, I'm making this also, and very good. Okay, I'm going to give you the skill, okay? As soon as it's finished generating, so you can try that in Claude, okay? And I hope it works well for you, and I mean, if you have issues or whatever, I mean, let me know, okay? Let me know how it works, okay? Luarzo Steve, Musankogala, thank you very much. My talent will make me reach at the right place. Well, I hope so. I mean, I hope the right place is this channel. Honestly, I hope the right place is this channel. I mean, I want to be completely honest with you. I mean, I really hope this is the right place. I mean, honestly. But thank you very much for the compliment. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. So where is this portable thing? So portable video prompt guide. I guess it's this one, right? Or edited. So what's this? Oh, okay, that's it. You made 2 files. Which one of the 2 is the one I have to give? Or should I give them both? Only this one portable video prompt guide. Okay, perfect. Portable video prompt guide, okay. That's it. Enjoy. Boom. Enjoy this. Boom. Here we are. Here we are with Amigo. Enjoy that. Enjoy. Send on Discord. Boom. Boom. So, and I need to do one last thing. Is that I think I need to do this. Copy this. The temporary file new folder. New finder window. We're going to download temporarily. We paste this here. Very good. So, okay, thank you very much for the portable version. There is just one thing I want to change, is that I noticed that also inside the skill, I mean, there are references of all the works we did into the temporary folder. I mean, I'm about to delete the temporary folder with the Sido with the skill adaptation, because that was just a work in progress, so there shouldn't be any trace of it in the repository. So before I delete it, I want you that you check all the files you recently edited that still point to the temporary folder and set them to video skill adaptation into the repository, or whatever other files you edited recently. And if there is something really important there, you should write there into another file, because I'm going to delete these folders after you do the cleanup, because that was just a testing folder, and that will be deleted from the repository. Okay, perfect. And with that said, I mean, we are going to end the stream here, cause it's 12, and later I have to go watch Star Wars. I have to go watch Star Wars. Yes, cause Star Wars time. it's Star Wars time. I'm going to watch Yoda, so I mean I'm sorry if I mean yes, seen it exactly at the movie theater. Yes. Because they do the new Star Wars movie with Yoda or the son of Yoda or whatever it is, a young Yoda. And I'm going to watch it, so very good. So yes. That's what I'm going to do. So and thank you very much for watching and I mean for your support. Ritomigo, one day you will be a channel member. I tell you this, so because this is your destiny, so we can talk about AI in our Discord and I mean anyway, thank you very much and we will see each other soon, okay? Yeah, you will, Ritomigo, you will. Don't you worry. Don't you worry. No, you're more than welcome and you're more than welcome. It's like you seem so busy right now. I have to go doing some laundry, so I will take my leave. I will not tell them my fiancé. Oh yes, Musang, absolutely. Yes, next stream we talk about your fiancé, absolutely. Full cup. I mean, it seems I got you at the end anyways. I had a great time watching Star Wars. Absolutely full cup. I mean, I'm very sorry. Yes, I have tickets. I'm going with my family to see Star Wars, so I mean, I have to end the stream here, yes. I mean, I've streamed for 3 hours, but yeah, I mean, I'm very sorry for the timing, but I really wish you have a nice weekend, okay? And thank you very much for joining. I mean, I will stream more. I mean, I'm not going anywhere, but not today. Okay, today is Star Wars time. Thank you very much, everyone, and have a nice day. Bye-bye!